We have given fraction. We need to change this fraction to decimal and round to the hundredth and thousandth. So first, when we have to change fraction to decimal, we need to do division. We divide numerator by denominator. So we have 3 divided by 19. So let me set long division. Our divisor is 19. 3, and because of course we cannot put 19 to 3, so we will add, after whole number is always decimal point, and we add extra zeros because we need to round to 100. So to round 100 we need to 3 digits after decimal point. To 1000 we need one more, so 4 digits. So let me add 4 zeros after decimal point. When I add zeros after decimal point, it doesn't change the value of our number, it's still 3. And now, how many times we can put 19 to 3? 0, like I said. So 0 times 19 is 0, subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column, and we take down next digit. So we have 30 divided by 19 is 1. 1 times 19 is 19. 30 minus 19 is 11. So we have to take down next digit. So it will be 110 divided by 19. So it will be 5. 5 times 19 is 95. Subtraction. We have to borrow 1 from 1, so it will be 0 now, and we have 10 at the end. 10 minus 5 is 5. 0 minus 9 cannot do, so we borrow 1 from next digit, so it will be 0 and 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. So what next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 150 divided by 19. It will be 7. 7 times 19 is 133. Subtraction. We have to borrow 1 from 5, so it will be 4, and at the end will be 10. Minus 3 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I mean, we don't have to write. We will take next 0 down. So we have 170 divided by, it will be 8. 8 times 19 is 152. Subtraction. Now, so we have to borrow 1, so it will be 6 and 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't have to write. What next? Our remainder is different than 0, but we need to round to the thousandth and hundredth. To round to 1000, we need to have one more digit than thousandth, which is 10th place, 100th, 1000th. So we have extra 1 digit, so we don't have to do long division anymore. For 100, we need only 3 digits after decimal point because it's 10, 100th place, so we have extra digits. So we don't have to do long division anymore. We can rewrite that 3 over 19 is approximately equal 0, decimal point 1578. And first, we need to round to the 100th. Like I said, 100th is the second digit after decimal point. And next, we have to check what we have after our underlying digit is 7. When we have number greater than 5 or 5, we have to add 1 to our underlying digit. And now, everything what is after our underlying digit, we have to change to 0. So it will be 0, 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 decimal point 0. We have to copy everything what is before our underlying digit. So when we have to round, change to decimal number 3 over 19 and round to 100, the solution will be 0, decimal point 16. And now we need to round to the thousandth, th at the end. So let me copy one more time. We have 3 over 19 is approximately 0, decimal point 1568. We have to find first thousandth, 10th, 100th, 1000th is third digits after decimal point. Next, we have to check next digit is 8, greater than 5. When we have number greater than 5 or 5, we'll have to add 1 to our underlying digits. What next? Everything what we have after our underlying digits, we have to change to 0. And now 7 plus 1 is 8. Everything what is before, we have to copy. So our solution, when we have to round to the thousandth, will be 0.158.